శ్రీమాత్రేయ నమః. శ్రీచక్రరాజశేఖర శ్రీ ఎల్లారమ్మ వారి అపార కరుణాకటాక్షలతో ప్రారంభించినటువంటి ఎల్కే కన్సల్టింగ్ సంస్థ ఈరోజు ప్రథమ వార్షికోత్సవం జరుపుకుంటున్న సందర్భముగా అమ్మవారి యొక్క అనుగ్రహం, ఆమె యొక్క చల్లని చూపు ఎల్లప్పుడూ బాబా కిషోర్ లలితాదీప్తి దంపతుల యొక్క కుటుంబం పైన, సంస్థ పైన ఎల్లప్పుడూ ఉండాలని, సంస్థ దినదిన ప్రవర్తమానంగా ఉన్నత శిఖరాలకు అధిరోహించాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటూ మంగళాశాసనాలు పలుకుతూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటున్నాను.
That's great to hear. Baba and Lalita, I wish you a very big success. Is this your first anniversary already? That shows that you're going to celebrate many more great celebrations in the future. Let every page of your LK be a wonderful and memorable achievement. I wish Lalita and Baba a grand thumping success. This is VSP Trinity wishing you all the best. Good luck.
Hi Baba and Lalita. Here's wishing both of you a very happy anniversary. I'm extremely glad to note your progress, and this is just the beginning. Knowing Baba, his aspirations and ambition and his hunger to learn and excel will always take him forward. And it's very, very heartening knowing both of you. I have seen Baba from a long time. He has been my sounding board on a lot of issues, both professional and family. And I wish, and I know, and I'm completely confident that he is going to soar high. For him, sky is not even the limit. Take care, God bless, and keep me in your thoughts and share your professional journey. It would give me a lot of happiness and satisfaction to see people like you doing so well in life. Thank you and God bless.
Hello Baba Garu, congratulations on LK turning 1. You are an epitome of energy. You bring out that good vibe within the working environment, and I know that you're going to be extremely successful and make us all proud. And we will always be there as your support systems, and hope to work more in future and achieve more together. All the best.
Hey, hi, Baba, Lalita and LK team. Wishing you a very first anniversary to all of you. I think it's been a great journey for each one of you, and also for us that we have traveled through with you in this journey. We want to really wish you for the next 5, 10 and 20 years, like how Ed Hughes says that we are celebrating 20 years today. But you are a great team, and enjoy yourself, enjoy your success. Your journey has been very, very fantastic. So I wish you all the best from the entire Hughes team for working with us and doing a great job for us. And wish the LK team, Baba, Lalita, all the best, do well, and have a great success.
Truly appreciate the focus, energy, values, integrity, and the depth of knowledge that he brings on table, right? And really admire his negotiating skills in the most critical situations that arise during the entire everyday activity, right? I wish Baba and Lalita a very, very great journey ahead, and would like to congratulate LK on its first anniversary and wish all the very best for future.
Hearty congratulations to Baba, Lalita and entire team at LK for your first year anniversary, and it's great to see the way you guys are progressing over the last 1 year. And thanks to you guys for continued support to Provo Software and Konda Holdings from the inception. And all the best and many more to come. Bye bye.
Congratulations, LK Consulting, on your first anniversary. Wish you all the best and many more years to go.
So I'm here today to wishing you the entire LK founders, Kishore and Lalita, all the very best, and my warm greetings to the entire LK team. And I wish you the organization to continue with the same human core values like trust, teamwork, and integrity. And wishing you many more amazing years to come forward in your entire journey of this LK.
Congratulations to Baba and Lalita for completing 1 year of setting up of LK. I'm sure you have a long way to go, and I'm sure you will achieve greater heights.
Hey Baba, on work anniversary of LK, I wish you the very, very best. You are just wonderful. You're very dynamic, and I've always seen you full of energy. With your better half supporting you in equal energies. I think you both together make a great companion, and I'm sure many of the people who look at you to receive advices and to be mentored, I think they are in very safe hands. Wonderful to know you, Baba, and I think what's important is that your energy is of a new professional who has just joined in. And I can see the extent that you put in to learn. You look at to make sure that you keep your clients comfortable with your great advices. Wishing you again very, very best on the work anniversary of LK. God bless you. Take care.
Congratulations, Baba, on the occasion of the first anniversary of LK Consulting. I am sure you would have nurtured this newborn baby for last 1 year very well, and with excellent cooperation from your better half, both of you will take this LK Consulting to new heights in future, and both will give a quality and a reliable consulting to all your clients, and for indirectly benefiting the society at large. All the very best.
It was a great time spending with Baba. I was heading the devotee division, and for me, Baba was like, I don't call it just right hand, left hand, or the kind of support and stand together, something amazing. Basically, he's a man with a distinct character. He was a perfectionist, passionate, at the same time very creative, avariciously knowledgeable.
Congratulations, Baba and Lalita, on 1 year of your entrepreneurial journey. Wish many more successful years ahead. All the very best.
Mr. Baba, always energetic. He thinks for the future. He gives ideas and solutions for the problems. He is very knowledgeable and very experienced person, and we fortunate that we have such kind of talent in our industry. I would like to say thank you very much to Mr. Baba and his entire team. He has completed 1 year for his new startup LK very well and successfully. So wish you all the best for future.
Hi Baba and Lalita. మీ ఎల్కే సంస్థ ప్రథమ వార్షికోత్సవం సందర్భాన నా అభినందనలు ఆశీస్సులు తెలియజేస్తూ మీ సంస్థ ఇంకా ఎంతో అభివృద్ధి చెందాలని కోరుకుంటూ ఆశిస్తున్నాను.
Hi, this is N. Sitaramdu, father-in-law of Mr. Baba Kishore and father of Mrs. Lalita Deep. On the occasion of its anniversary, my hearty congratulations to both of them for having put all their efforts to bring it into the success path in a short span of time of just a year. I also congratulate his whole team for their contribution in this success. Also, I wish that LK should continue to work in the same fashion and get more and more success growth to it in the years to come. All the best once again. Good luck.
ఎల్కే కన్సల్టింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసిన సంవత్సర కాలంలోనే దాని విజయ పథంలో నడిపించడం చాలా ఆనందదాయకంగా ఉంది. ఎంతో కష్టపడి నిబద్ధతతో ముందుకు నడిపించి అతి తక్కువ సమయంలో ఈ విజయానికి చేరువ చేసిన కిషోర్ లలితలకు మరొకసారి అభినందనలు. ఇలాగే మీరు రాబోయే సంవత్సరాలలో కూడా కష్టపడి మరిన్ని విజయాలు అందుకోవాలని, అభివృద్ధి పదంలో పయనించాలని మనసారా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. అందుకు ఆ భగవంతుడు ఎల్లవేళలా తోడుగా ఉండాలని ప్రార్థిస్తున్నాను.
Hi, on successful completion of 1 year journey of LK. Hearty congratulations to my dear daughter and son-in-law.
Congratulations, Kishore and Lalita.
Hello LK team. Wow, it's been a year already. Congratulations on your first anniversary and wish you many more successful growth years to come.
Hi LK team, congratulations on your first anniversary.
Congratulations LK on your first corporate anniversary. Good luck Lalita and Baba. May your business prosper in the years to come.
I'm very glad to know that LK has completed its first year successfully. The credit goes to entire team, including all the staff members who worked so hard to attain this milestone. Congratulations LK on your first year successful completion.
Hello, I'm Dr. Haris Seneti. Congratulations LK for completing 1 year successfully, and I wish you all the best, and I wish you reach great heights in the coming years.